Welcome back to Forever Clever. Let's dive right into the questions. We have 3 groups of candies containing 11, 7, and 6 candies, respectively. Our goal is to evenly distribute them by moving candies between the groups. You can make a total of 3 moves, and each time you move candies, the number you take from one group must equal the number in the group you're moving to. How will this work? You now have 30 seconds to answer the question. Here's the answer. Let's break it down. For the third move, you need to create a scenario where you have a group of 4 to move to, a group of 12 to move from, and a group with 8 candies. So for your second move, you'll likely move from a larger group to a group of 6 in order to form the group of 12. After this move, the larger group will have either 4 or 8 candies left, meaning it could end up with either 10 or 14 candies. Looking back at your second move, the first move needs to set up a group of 10 or 14. While you can't create a group of 10, you can create a group of 14. So, that's your answer. See you next time.